Welcome to the class. Are you ready? Let's start the class. We were discussing about tourism product. I have told you earlier that there are 4 A's of tourism product. What are those A's? There are 4 A's. Accessibility, attraction, accommodation, and amenities. You see on the board? Yes? Yes, you can see on the board. There are 4 A's which are element of tourism product. We have already discussed what is a product, what is approach. So, we are presently discussing tourism product, tourism as a product. We have discussed what is product. So there are 4 main elements, 4 A's these are called: attraction, accessibility, accommodation, and amenities. We will take these one by one. The first, attraction. What prompts you to go to a particular place? Yes. What is attraction? What prompts you to go to a particular place on tour? Yes. What prompts you to go to a particular place?
So maybe it's scenic beauty or it's culture.
Scenic beauty and
And according to me, the culture of any place.
maybe
It also
culture. In some
Yes.
cases it is culture, in some cases it is
It is
scenic beauty, in some
Yes.
cases maybe climate.
The climate is the first factor because it needs to be favorable for oneself.
So there are attraction, element of attraction, climate, beauty, scenic beauty, and culture. Any other element? Yes. I hope you can see. Yes. Any other element? Yes.
Cuisines.
Yes.
Some cuisines.
Cuisines. Maybe cuisines. Yes. For foodies, it is cuisines. Yes. There may be one more factor. Some past experiences can also pull you, attract you to the particular destination. You had gone to that place. Past attraction. And sometimes your parents were living there, you were living there. So it's a nostalgic value also. So,
There could be religious regions as well.
yes, maybe religious regions as well. In India, it is very important. In the world, it is very important, but in India, it is very important. We often take tours for religious regions, for pilgrimage. Yes, and sometimes it is friends and family. इसको हम कहते हैं, in India it is called friends and FNF tourism, friends and family tourism. Earlier
So
it was
adventure activities as well.
adventure, yes, adventure. Sometimes adventure attracts you. There may be many reasons. Any more reason for you? Maybe a particular reason for you. every person has a different reason to go to do something or to go somewhere. Maybe many reasons in some cases, and many one primary reason or one overwhelming reason which pulls a person to a particular destination. Or we have talked about that sometimes it is only to get away, but still you have to choose to which destination you have to go. Sometimes it is proximity. Proximity to your place. Sometimes it is like you go to Taj Mahal. Sometimes it is history. You want to see history. Sometimes it is history. Sometimes it is proximity. Many reasons are there. Sometimes time. Sometimes it is you have a scarcity of time at your disposal. So what you do when you want to go on tour badly, but you have paucity of time, you have lack of time, then what will you do?
So visit to the nearby
Yes, you
tourist
will
place.
take a short visit like Taj Mahal or something, a day visit, a 2-day visit. In most of the cases, this happens. You take a very short visit. So, on to many tourist destinations we cannot go because we think that it will take a week, and we don't have a week. We may have a week, but we feel that we don't have a week. And perception is anything, everything, almost everything in human behavior, isn't it? Do you agree? What is your perception and what is your attitude towards things is a prime reason, a prime motivator for your behavior, isn't it? Yes, Rifat. In any case, not only in tourism. Yes,
Yes, sir.
what is your
Yes,
attitude?
sir.
Yes, what is your attitude towards certain thing, and what is your perception about that place, thing? If you have a very good perception, you're more tend to do that. So sometimes perception, sometimes nostalgia. Nostalgia is also a very good reason. Perhaps your father was living there. Perhaps in the childhood you had gone to that place. So you think that. So the first step is in selecting a tourist place is attraction. First prime motivator is attraction. You wanted to go to that place. तो जैसे ही आपको मौका मिलता है, you go to that place. जैसे आपने अपने presentation में कहा कि it is my dream destination. तो जैसे ही आपके पास means और time होगा, you will go to that place because the desire is there. Desire that these factors instill a desire in you, provokes a desire in you, and you go to that place when you find time and when you have resources, when you have energy. So when you go to a tour, any one of you have taken initiative to go on a tour? मतलब जब आपने कहा हो घर वालों से कि आई हैव टू गो, तो सब लोग गए हों. Is there any instance?
Yes, sir, many times.
Yes. So many times the children are adolescent kids decide that where to go. So these are reasons. There may be many more reasons. So in India, what is the main reason? What are the prime reasons to go on tour? एक तो आपने बताया religion is a prime reason. Friends and family tourism भी इंडिया में बहुत पॉपुलर है और religious tourism, pilgrimage. There is a very interesting phenomena in case of Kashmir. People go to Vaishno Devi for darshan, and when they have achieved their primary objective of visiting Vaishno Devi, then they think that यहाँ तक आ गए हैं तो वैली भी चलते हैं. So attractive destination as valley becomes secondary. Such is the pull of religious tourism in India. Or you go to Badrinath, Kedarnath, you take a trek, but the prime reason, the prime motivation was the religious. So this is the first thing. This is the first step in choosing a destination. We have listed 4 A's. In first step, some destination attracts us. So that is, attraction decides where you will go. And one more thing decides where you will go. That is accessibility. When you have decided a short list of 2 or 3 destinations, then you see that is it accessible or not? Is it easily accessible or not? Yes. Isn't it? What is accessibility? Accessibility, how to reach there. Is it difficult or it is easy? That is comfortable. Some people, most of the people choose the comfortable accessibility destination. Easy accessibility destination. There are some people that they go for difficult accessibility destination, isn't it? So most of us go to the place where the accessibility is good. If you have seen a travel channel and in your presentations last semester, there was a very vital element that how to reach by car, by road, by air, by train, how to reach. That is very important. If you find that there is very difficult to reach there, and most of the people or most of the time, what they do, they strike out that यहाँ नहीं जा रहे भाई, isn't it? यहाँ नहीं जा रहे, यहाँ जाना तो बहुत मुश्किल है. So second important thing is how to reach out and how much time it will take to reach. That is very important. Accessibility, it comes under accessibility. If you go on trains, then it will take time. But still people go by train. Yes, why? People choose trains instead of air. Why people choose train or by road transport? Why people choose trains?
So because it's cheap.
It's cheap. आपको एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात बताऊं. When we gone to UK, there was an option that the air trip was cheaper than train trip to Scotland. Still people were thronging the train. Still people were in the train. They were choosing train or rails. Why? What may be the reason?
So
Yes.
because in trains they may get to enjoy the scenic beauty.
Yeah, that they enjoy the scenic beauty. They choose train because in train journey you will enjoy the scenic beauty more. Or by road journey you will enjoy the scenic beauty more. In air you don't enjoy the scenic beauty enough. So on the road, on the trip, you enjoy the scenic beauty. That is very important part of tourism. So people often enjoy the scenic beauty. People enjoy they choose train, though it is sometimes it is more costly than air travel, but it is sometimes. It is an exception. Almost always train is cheaper than plane air travel. Although there is not much difference now. Have you checked the train fares? If you go by AC first class, then the fare is in comparison to or at par with airfares. Have you checked it? You can get a cheaper deal on airfare. So only fare is not important. When you go on a tour, you want to enjoy scenic beauty, you want to go seeing places on the way, so you choose train sometimes. If you have paucity of time, you go by air. There may be many reasons, your reasons. People have different reasons for different tours. So, and they behave differently in different circumstances. So, accessibility is very important. But people take treks. People go by trekking to mountain destination, say in Kedarnath, Badrinath. People trek. Why people trek when there is a more comfortable transport available? People go by foot, people go by trek, people go on jeeps. Why? What is the reason? What is the prime motive of that? Yes.
So the thrill factor.
The
thrill factor.
thrill factor, yes. And people have a need of feeling thrill and adventure. So that must be the reason. Different people have different reasons. Different people have different motivation for doing things. I'm repeating it again. You may agree that different people said, and at different times, different reasons. Sometimes you may choose train. Sometimes you may choose a different destination. Next time you may choose a different destination. Sometimes you decide to go to Agra. Sometimes you decide to go to Kashmir. It's all about your perception, your desire, your mood, your attitude, or what is happening in your life at that particular time. It also decides psychological reasons. So, accessibility is important. If the place is not accessible, why you will go? Very few people will go in an inaccessible terrain. So, we have talked about mode of transport. There is a difficulty of terrain and comfort also. Difficulty of terrain is an important factor. Some people are motivated by the difficulty of terrain. Are there some people? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, if you have a choice to go to Kedarnath, a particular place, there is an option that a helicopter drops you there, take you directly to the peak, and there is an option of trekking. What will you choose? Yes.
So mostly people choose trekking because
Yes.
trekking make their journey more adventurous.
Yes, trekking gives us thrill and adventure and true enjoyment. People mostly choose trek because adventure need and thrill need is also to be satisfied in tourism. It's not only to go to see the scenic beauty, it is to satisfy our basic our inner desires. Actually, people do things to satisfy their inner cravings mostly. Any product, advertisements take advantage of that. When you are buying a expensive product, what are you doing? When you are going to an expensive restaurant, what you are doing? What need you are satisfying? When you are going to an expensive restaurant, what you are going for food. Yes. You are satisfying your inner craving. That, and there are some prestige involved. There are some ambience involved. There, the product name or the restaurant's name is important. So you are actually you're satisfying your feelings. You are satisfying your desires. The products cater to your desires, isn't it? Yes, Ahad. Abdul Ahad. Any restaurant, do you hear me, Abdul? Yes, Abdul, do you hear me? No. Perhaps Abdul is not
Am I
here.
audible?
Yes, Abdul. When you go to an expensive restaurant, so what desire you are satisfying? For food? For food, you are going to
Not
an
at all
expensive.
food.
Yes.
I can have not at all food. I can have the food at my home and at any restaurant.
Yeah, yeah.
If I'm going to a particular restaurant, like a five-star hotel, you can say, or some, so I have to. There's some prestige involved in that.
Some prestige
I
involved,
have-
yes.
I have some inner cravings that I have to satisfy.
Take the cold drink. Why you drink the cold drinks? Almost soft drinks, may call. Almost everyone is fond of soft drinks. Why? Why we drink, we take, we consume these soft drinks in so much quantity? Yes. Why we take soft drinks in so much quantity?
Like it, it's kind of cool.
For answering this, you have to see the advertisements, the publicity behind that. They emphasize certain values or certain traits, courage.
So that's what I said. That it's really kind of cool.
Yeah,
Something like
feeling. We want to feel our to be felt as cool. Yeah, there was an advertisement of some soft drink. Taste the thunder. Perhaps it is of Coca-Cola. Or
Thumbs up.
So it's
Thumbs
a
up.
thumbs up.
It is a taste the thunder. The protagonist, the hero or the model jumps on a truck to take a bottle of thumbs up. Taste the thunder. So you feel adventurous like that model. Some part of you feel that. Some part of you you take some foods or some restaurant, you go, you want to feel in crowd. Or you go to a 5-star hotel, many times it is to show that you can go to a 5-star. You want to feel the atmosphere of a 5-star hotel. Food is almost the same, isn't it? So you go to satisfy your feelings, your inner desires, your inner wishes, your inner goals, and they take advantage of your inner feelings. They are not selling you the soft drink. They are selling you. They are catering to your feelings, inner desires. They are exploiting your desires. And they do research on that. So, we go on tours to satisfy our inner desires. Desire of peace, desire of to be in a beautiful environment, in a pollution-free environment, to get away from the daily grind. So accessibility is important, and there is a train, Maharaja Express. Have you heard of it?
Yes, sir.
So what is the distinction of Maharaja Express? How it is different from other trains?
Sir, it's very lavish kind of train. Especially the foreign tourists travel in that, getting the route, but
Yes. Yes.
sir, I forgot the route, but it's the most
There are many
lavish
routes.
train
Actually,
India having.
you forgot the route. That is a very important thing, because the prime motive on being a Maharaja train is not the destination, isn't it? It is the journey. It is the treatment they give to you. It's the treatment they are giving you. What they are giving? And it is very expensive. I was checking that one route fare was around 6 lakhs, and they were saying that it is on reduced rates. It's a deal. 6 lakhs something, and it's deal. So why you go on such an expensive train? Because they treat you like royalty. They treat you like Maharajas, and everyone want to feel like a king, a queen, a prince, a princess, at least at some point of time. So they are catering to your that need. And there is a new thing in the tourist circuit. There is a bus to London. Have you heard of it? There is a bus to London. You can reach London by plane in 8 to 10 hours. But there is and it is months journey. So you want to feel that feeling by road to London. That is an adventure. Some people take air balloon, though it is risky. you want to feel heroic, you want to feel capable, you want to feel daring, you want to feel courageous, and that need is satisfied by that activity. Almost all the tourist destinations are today adding adventure element to that. Kashmir is very beautiful, but they are also adding adventure element to that, thrill element to that, because they are catering to your feelings, your adventure feelings. Actually, that is a bonus. You got to see the scenic beauty and you are feeling thrilled, are adventurous, are daring. Actually, all products, be it a tourism product, they cater to your needs. We have talked about needs and wants. They cater to your needs, to cater to your wants. Isn't it? Many products we are taking cater to our wants. Some beauty cream, it promises you that you will be like this or that film star, or that film star, a model uses that cream, or you will be emitting the special scent, fog, like fog. क्या वो एक बहुत टैगलाइन है, फॉग चल रहा है. So they are satisfying or catering to your inner desire. The tourism products is no exception. They are catering to your inner desires, isn't it? If you have to design a product, so that is a very important thing. You have to cater the desire. We have taken the example of Maharaja train. The route is not important. The destination is not important. Much is important. But the important thing is feeling like a royalty. People take in 5-star hotel, there is a thing that's called presidential suite. Have you heard of that? There is a thing, presidential suite. Yes. Have you heard? So people want to cater those desires, and these products cater those desires. It is all about desires, satisfying